Here we have the blizzard of 2014. As you can see, the snow is just clumps and dumps and
Stuff.
and lumps. As you can see, the snow is very high. I think we already have a foot and some more. No school today for everybody. Sophia.
And probably tomorrow.
Yes. Hi, Sophia. Antonio. Hi, Antonio.
I have school tomorrow.
Yes. I don't think anybody's got school tomorrow. Christina's helping clean all the dishes. She's out here. Hurry up, Christina. We have school. We gotta get ready for school.
No! Stop it!
And the snow will not stop for another 12 hours. We are going to have a lot of snow.